With over 2.3 billion active users worldwide, YouTube is the platform for earning money. We're diving easy and creative ideas on how to get paid on YouTube, whether you're just starting out or you're a dedicated content creator looking to level up your earnings. Let's do this. All right, guys, first up, let's talk merch. You've already got a dedicated audience, so why not give them something cool to rep? Designing and selling your own custom products is a fantastic way to monetize your channel and connect with your fans. Start simple. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, these are classic items that are always in demand. Come up with unique designs that reflect your channel's brand and personality. Imagine thousands of people rocking your merch, walking billboards for your channel. It's not just about the money, it's about building a community. You don't need to be a fashion designer to pull this off. There are tons of online platforms that make it super easy to create and sell custom merch. Promote your merch in your videos, link it in your descriptions, and watch the sales roll in. It's a win-win. Your fans get awesome gear and you get to support your channel. Don't underestimate the power of merch, guys. It's a serious moneymaker and a great way to take your YouTube game to the next level. So get creative, design some killer merch, and start raking in the dough. Remember, quality matters. Don't skimp on the materials. Your fans deserve the best, and high-quality merch reflects well on your brand. Next up, let's talk affiliate marketing. This is a huge opportunity for YouTubers to earn some serious cash by promoting products and services they already love. It's all about connecting your audience with awesome stuff and getting a cut of the sales. Think about the products you use every day, the software you swear by, the games you can't put down. Chances are, they have affiliate programs you can join. Once you're in, you'll get a unique link to share with your audience. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more people you refer, the more money you make. The key here is to be authentic. Only promote products you genuinely believe in. Share your honest opinions and experiences with the product, and let your enthusiasm shine through. Create engaging content that showcases the product in action. Don't just read off a script. Show your audience how it works, why you love it, and how it can benefit them. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to monetize your channel without being pushy or salesy. So find some awesome products you believe in, sign up for their affiliate programs, and start sharing the love with your audience. Remember to disclose your affiliate relationships. Transparency is key to building trust with your audience. All right, now let's talk about the big one, the YouTube Partner Program. This is the holy grail of YouTube monetization, and it opens up a whole world of earning potential. Once you're in the program, you can monetize your videos with ads, get access to special features, and even start earning money from Super Chat and Super Stickers during live streams. But getting into the Partner Program isn't a walk in the park. You'll need to meet certain requirements, like having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you hit those milestones, apply to the program and cross your fingers. It's a big step, but it's totally worth it. The Partner Program is where the real money-making magic happens on YouTube. Think about all the different ad formats you can use. Pre-roll ads, mid-roll ads, overlay ads, the possibilities are endless. So keep grinding, keep creating, and keep building your audience. The YouTube Partner Program is within your reach, and it's the key to unlocking a whole new level of YouTube success. Okay, let's talk about channel memberships. This is a fantastic way to build a loyal community and generate recurring revenue from your most dedicated fans. Once you're eligible for channel memberships, you'll need at least 30,000 subscribers and be 18 years old. You can offer exclusive perks to your members like custom badges, emojis, members only, live streams, and behind-the-scenes content. Think of it as a way to reward your biggest supporters and give them something special in return for their loyalty. It's a win-win. They get exclusive access, and you get a consistent stream of income. Channel memberships are a great way to build a deeper connection with your audience. You can offer different membership tiers with varying perks and pricing, giving your fans options to choose what works best for them. Promote your channel memberships in your videos, highlight the perks, and make it clear what fans will get in return for their support. The more value you offer, the more likely people are to join. So if you meet the requirements, definitely consider adding this feature to your channel. Remember to deliver on your promises. Make sure your members are getting the exclusive content and perks they signed up for. All right, let's talk about sponsored content. This is where you partner with brands to create videos featuring their products or services. It's a great way to earn some serious cash and gain exposure to a wider audience. When you're approached by a brand for a sponsorship, make sure it's a good fit for your channel and your audience. Don't promote something you don't believe in or that doesn't align with your values. Authenticity is key. Negotiate a fair price for your services. Consider factors like your audience size, engagement rate, and the scope of the project. Don't undervalue yourself. Your time and creativity are worth something. Create engaging content that seamlessly integrates the sponsored product or service. Don't just read a script. Tell a story, showcase the product in action, and make it relevant to your audience. Be transparent with your audience about the sponsorship. Clearly disclose that the video is sponsored content so there are no surprises. Sponsored content can be a lucrative way to monetize your channel, but it's important to do it right. Choose your partners wisely, create authentic content, and be upfront with your audience. A successful sponsorship benefits both you and the brand. Let's talk about Super Chat and Super Stickers. These are awesome features that allow your fans to donate directly to you during live streams and premieres. It's a fun and interactive way to monetize your content and connect with your audience in real time. During your live streams, encourage your viewers to use Super Chat and Super Stickers to send you messages and show their support. The more they donate, the more prominent their messages become, making it a fun competition for attention. Shout out your supporters by name, thank them for their donations, and make them feel appreciated. This encourages more donations and builds a sense of community among your viewers. Super Chat and Super Stickers are a great way to generate excitement during live streams and make your viewers feel like they're part of the action. Think of creative ways to incentivize Super Chat and Super Stickers. Maybe you'll answer questions from top donors, give shout-outs to specific people, or even do special challenges based on their requests. Super Chat and Super Stickers are a fantastic way to monetize your live content and build a stronger connection with your audience. All right, let's talk crowdfunding. This is a powerful way to raise money for specific projects or goals, whether it's new equipment, travel expenses, or even charitable causes. Platforms like Patreon and Kickstarter make it easy to connect with your audience and ask for their support. Create a compelling campaign page that clearly explains your project, your goals, and how the funds will be used. Be transparent and honest with your audience about your needs and your vision. Offer enticing rewards to your backers, such as exclusive content, early access to videos, merchandise, or even personalized shoutouts. The more value you offer, the more likely people are to contribute. Promote your crowdfunding campaign on your YouTube channel, social media, and other platforms. Spread the word and get people excited about your project. Keep your backers updated on your progress. Crowdfunding is a fantastic way to fund your dreams and involve your audience in the process. It's a chance to build a stronger connection with your fans and create something amazing together. Be passionate, be transparent, and be grateful for every contribution. Finally, let's talk about licensing your content. If you've got viral videos, you can actually earn money by licensing them to other YouTube channels, social media platforms, and even news outlets. It's like getting paid for your past successes. Platforms like Zukin Media specialize in licensing viral videos. Submit your best clips and let them do the work of finding buyers. You'll earn a commission every time your video is used. Make sure you own the rights to your videos before you try to license them. Avoid using copyrighted music or footage that you don't have permission to use. Licensing your content can be a passive income stream. Once your video is out there, it can continue to generate revenue for you without any additional effort. Think about which of your videos have the most viral potential. Licensing your content is a great way to monetize your existing videos and earn money from your past successes. So dig through your archives, find your best clips, and start licensing. And there you have it, folks. 8 creative ways to maximize your YouTube earnings in 2024. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. But with the right strategies and a little bit of hustle, you can turn your passion into profit. So get out there, create awesome content, and start making some serious cash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.